my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. I know I look a bit different today, if not a lot. I look very different today. I went bald again, you guys. See, my hair has been giving me a headache and I just felt like I needed a fresh start, so I just shaved everything off. I just felt like I wasn't taking care of my hair as much as I probably should, so I just wanted a fresh start and I shaved everything. There's not much to say about that. The hair wasn't growing really well and I just wanted to shave everything and start afresh, but that's not why we're here today. The unit that we're going to be trying on today is from Outre, and this is from their Sleeklay collection, I think, and I have right in style Brizella in the color Chocolate Frost, and let's just go ahead and see what we have inside. So this is what the stock card looks like, and like I said earlier, I have right in style Brizella in the color Chocolate Frost, and this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. For the key features on her, this unit has a wider hand-tied lace part, extra hand-tied lace edges, pre-plucked hairline, plus laid finish, natural baby hairs, and she's heat friendly as well. And for the special colors on her, we have Chocolate Frost, DRFF Black Cherry, DRFF Honey Brown, DRFF Sun Kiss Brown, DRFF 2/Butterscotch, and DRFF Cinnamon Spice. And this is what we have straight out of the pack. This unit comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. And this is what the hairline looks like, and she comes parted as a middle part. So I'm just going to head right into styling and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody's smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job, tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're 2 of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. I know I just met you, boy, but you got that something that just rocks my world. I can't help but feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, oh. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Oh.
Until we get kicked out. Until we get kicked out.
the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say,
alright, you guys, so this is what we have, and this is the final look, and this turned out really good. She's so cute, you guys. I really love this one. Styling was super minimal. All I did was just go in with my even listings in the shade darkest brown, went in with my CoverGirl bronzer in the shade ebony, and my Elegant concealer in the shade toast, and I also went in with my flat iron just to flatten the center a little bit, and that's pretty much all that I did for styling. I was going to go in with my got to be glue and just glue her down, but to be honest, I don't see a reason to do that today because this feels really flat. It laid down flat, and it also feels really snug and firm on my head, so I feel like you can wear this one out without gluing her down. And for shedding and tangling with her, I didn't really experience any form of tangling with this one, but I did experience a bit of shedding, maybe 2, 3 or 4 strands, but definitely nothing to worry about. This doesn't shed that much. And for the texture and density on this one, this is a light yaki textured unit. For the density, it's around a medium to full. And in case you're wondering if she's big head friendly, I would say that if your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, this is still going to work for you, because even though she feels really snug and firm on my head, I still feel like I have wiggle room in there, so this is definitely going to work for you if your head is bigger than mine. Although the ear tabs are short, they stop around this area right here, but I'm not really bothered about that because this is definitely how I'm going to be wearing it, and they're not showing either way. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I think that this one is definitely worth your coins if you're looking for like a throw on your head and go kind of vibe. I think this is one that you should try out. The color is nice, the curls, the style, everything that she's serving, we're here for it. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I'm going to leave the direct link. Actually, do I have the direct link to where I bought this one? I'm going to have to find out where I bought this one from, but I'll leave links to where you can purchase from in my description box. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.